Good day. Are you aware of the day of the week when you were born? Or do you know the day of the week when Jose Rizal was exiled in Bagumbayan? That will be our lesson today. To be able to understand our lesson well, I would like to introduce a new word called odd day. It is a word referring to the extra day of a complete week. For every code of odd day, we have a particular day of the week. Odd day 0 refers to Sunday. 1 for Monday. 2 for Tuesday. 3 for Wednesday. How about 4? This is for Thursday. 5 for Friday. And the last one, 6 for Saturday. To get the number of odd days from a set of days, you have to divide it by 7. Let me cite an example. For 10 days, divided by 7 is equal to 1 week with a remainder of 3 days. At ang remainder ay tatawagin nating odd day. At ang odd day 3 ay katumbas ng Wednesday. Let's take a look with 9 days. 9 divided by 7 is equal to 1 with a remainder 2. Odd day 2 corresponds with Tuesday. The next thing to discuss is the table of the first 40 years, indicating kung ilan ang leap year at saka non-leap years. Sa table na ito, dito natin makikita kung ilang leap years at saka non-leap years sa 10 taon hanggang 40 taon. Dito sa table na ito, dito natin makikita ang number of leap years at ang number of non-leap year. Ang isang leap year ay merong 366 days. Pag ito ay yung dinivide by 7, ito ay mayroon siyang ekstrang 2 araw called the odd day. Ang non-leap year naman ay meron lang siyang extra day na isa. Ngayon, ang tanong, paano natin nasa-solve yung number of odd days? Sa 10 taon, meron tayong 2 leap year at saka 8 taong non-leap year. So, anong gagawin natin? Total number of odd days is equal to the odd days of the leap year times 2 plus the number of odd days ng non-leap year. Now, we will divide this number by 7. And we will get a remainder of 5. This 5 will become the odd day of the 10-year period. And 5 corresponds to Friday. Let's continue with the first 20 years. Number of leap years is equal to 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 5. The total number of non-leap years, 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. Now let us solve the total number of odd days for both the leap year and the non-leap year. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Let's divide 25 by 7 to get, yes, 3. Remainder 4 and 4 will become the odd day of the 20-year period. Let's continue with the first 30 years. 30 has a number of leap years equal to what? Yes, it is 7. Paano nakuha ang 7? It's 30 divided by 4 is equal to 7. Just get the whole number 7. 30 minus 7 is equal to 23. That becomes the number of non-leap year for the period of 30 years. Total number of odd days can also be found by getting the total number of years plus the total number of leap years. Now we are going to divide 35 by 7 to get 5, remainder 2. Odd day 2 corresponds to Tuesday. Let's discuss the first 40 years. Get the number of leap years. 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. And to get the number of non-leap years, we will subtract 10 from 40 to become 30. Now let's find the total number of odd days from this 40-year period. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50 divided by 7 is equal to 7, remainder 1. And odd day 1 refers to Monday. This is how to find the number of leap year. Total number of years divided by 4. For any remainder, just get the whole number. At para naman sa mga non-leap year, ito ang kanyang formula. Itong table na ito ay ginagamit natin sa pinaka-final step upang matukoy natin ang day of the week ng specific date na iyon. Ang susunod nating tatalakayin ay ang first 400 years. Ito ay merong 24 leap years and 76 non-leap year. Meron naman itong odd day na 5. Ito ay gagamitin natin sa susunod na centuries na darating. Sa first 200 years, kailangan lang natin i-multiply by 2 ang dating 5 odd days. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 divided by 7 at meron naman tayong remainder 3. 3 becomes the odd number for the first 200 years. The first 300 years, ang kailangan lang natin is to multiply 5 by 3 to make it 15 divided by 7. Meron tayong remainder na 1. Please be reminded that in the first 400 years, we are not just multiplying 5 by 4, but we are adding 1 odd day. So 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 divided by 7 is equal to... Remember that for every 400 years, it is a leap year and it will be reset into 0. In other words, December 31st, year 400 is a Sunday. Among these dates, kindly identify the date if it is Sunday or not. Year 2000 falls on a Sunday. Likewise, December 31st, 2400 is a Sunday. Can you tell me why? Here is another table valuable in solving the problem on odd days. All months with 31 days have an odd day of 3. These are the months of January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Likewise, months with 30 days has 2 days odd day. These are the months of April, June, September, and November. For February, it can have 28 or 29 days depending of the year. Let's try to solve our first example. Napakadaling isolve ito dahil ang hinahanap ay yung araw ng katapusan ng taon, December 31, 2000. The odd day is equal to 0. Therefore, December 31st, 2000 falls on a Sunday. Here is another example. This time, it's not December 31, kundi lampas ng December 31. We are looking for the week of the day on January 6, year 2000. Una sa lahat, kailangan nating hati-hatiin ang year 2000. Hiwalayin natin ang kumpletong taon at ang hindi pa kumpleto. Ang 1600s ay divisible by 400. At kung divisible by 400 ito ay leap year. At ang leap year for every 400 years ay Sunday. Ang odd day niya ay 0. Kailangan na lang ng 300 years upang mapuno ang 1900s. Dahil alam na natin kung ilan ang odd day ng 300 years, mas madali na lang nating isolve. We refer to the table on first 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, and the last one is 400 years. Ang 99 naman, ito yung mapupuno ng hanggang December 31, 1999. Ang susunod na step natin ay para hanapin ang odd day ng 99 years. We all know that 100 years has 5 odd days. Now, we are going to subtract 1. Yung kompleto na tayo sa paghahanap ng mga odd days ng kompletong taon, yung mga natitirang araw na lang ang ating hahanapin. Sa unang buwan ng January, meron lang siyang 6 days. Now, we are going to find the sum of all the odd days. 0 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 divided by 7 is equal to 1, remainder 4. Therefore, January 6, 2000 falls on a Thursday. Upang mas madali nating gawin ito, pwede tayong mag-cross out ng 7, 1, and 6. What is left is 4, and 4 corresponds to Thursday. Let's recap. We are going to find the day of the week for February 15, 2021. February 15, 2021 falls on a Monday. I hope you learned something today.
Ako po si Karen Season Gordula, lola po ni Sak Harvey Gordula ng Los Baños, Laguna. Sa murang edad pa lang na 3 taon ay nakitaan na namin si Sak ng kakaibang interes sa pagbabasa at pagbibilang. Simula grade 1 ay nakasali na siya sa iba't ibang kompetisyon sa matematika. Naranasan na din niya makipagkompetensya sa ibang bansa tulad ng Singapore at Vietnam, na sa kabutihang palad, umuwi po siya ng may dalang medalya at tropeyo. Sa panahon pong ito ng pandemic, si Sak po ay patuloy ding sumasali sa mga kompetisyon sa pamamagitan ng online.
Ang first term ay 20 pages. Last term ay 80 pages. So 20 plus
May training po siyang sinasalihan. Ang IVFC na hanggang ngayon ay patuloy pong nagtuturo ng iba't ibang teknik sa matematika po ng libre. Opo, libre po. Sa panahon ngayon, wala na po atang katulad ng IVFC na matiyagang nagtuturo ng walang bayan. Kaya salamat po kay Sir Edward Agdepa, ang mentor ng mga kids ng IVFC, sa paglinang ng kanilang kaalaman sa panahon ng pandemya. Patuloy pa po silang tumatanggap ng mga estudyante na willing pong matuto ng walang bayad. Salamat po ng marami, Sir Edward. Salamat IVFC. Mabuhay po kayo.
For parents who are interested with our program, kindly search on our FB page called IVFC Info page. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Join po kayo.